Welcome to Technology Bytes. My name is Andrew Stones, and I like to cover tech-related topics. Have you ever wondered why there aren't more options for repairing your Apple products? Well, the winds of change are blowing in Cupertino. In a groundbreaking move, Apple recently announced plans to expand repair options. They've opened the gates for customers and independent repair providers to use used genuine Apple parts in repairs. This initiative, which is set to roll out with select iPhone models in the autumn, aims to increase product longevity, provide more repair options, and reduce environmental impact. A triple win. But how does this all work? Well, Apple is implementing a new parts calibration process. This process ensures the security, privacy, and functionality of used parts. It's a way to keep your device performing optimally, even with parts that have seen a bit of life already. Now you might be thinking, what about stolen parts? Apple has thought of that too. Activation lock is being extended to iPhone parts to prevent the use of stolen components. It's a clever way to keep the bad guys at bay. But there's more. Apple is also providing transparency on parts and repair history through the Parts and Service History feature. This means you'll have all the information you need about what's been done to your device and when. All these changes are part of Apple's commitment to improving access to safe and affordable repairs. They're not just increasing service locations, but also extending support for self-service repair. It's all about giving you more control over the lifespan of your device. So to sum it all up, Apple is shaking things up with an initiative that allows the use of used genuine parts in repairs. They're implementing a new calibration process, extending activation lock to parts, and providing transparency through the Parts and Service History feature. All this while increasing service locations and supporting self-service repair. It's a bold step towards a world where you have more options and control over your Apple product repairs. Stay tuned to Technology Bytes for more updates as this initiative unfolds. There's a whole new world of repair options coming your way, and it's going to change the game. If you have liked this video, please consider liking or subscribing to my channel. It really helps.